In this video, we will show you how to replace the LTE on the ASUS Chromebook CZ11 and CZ11 Flip. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS support manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. First, push the stylus in, then pull it out. Loosen the 11 screws. Open and rotate the system to face you. Follow the instructions to pry open the keyboard module. Carefully open the keyboard module to avoid damaging the cables and connectors. Next, disconnect the battery cable first. Push the metal clip. Disconnect the green cable first, then the black cable. Remove the acetate tape. Disconnect the cables between the main board and the keyboard. Remove the keyboard module. Remove the LTE Mylar. Disconnect the antenna connectors. Remove the screw. Remove the LTE card at an angle of less than 5 degrees. Remove the LTE thermal pad from the LTE card. Place the LTE thermal pad on the LTE card as shown. Insert the LTE card at an angle of less than 5 degrees. Make sure the cable is not pinched. Tighten the screw. Connect the antenna connectors. Apply the LTE Mylar. Flip the keyboard module over and place it on the system. Connect the keyboard and touchpad FFCs to the main board. To prevent a short circuit or shock, connect the black cable first, then use a plastic blade to connect the green cable. Push the metal clip to secure the connector. Now install the keyboard module. Secure the keyboard module until it clicks into place. Close the lid, then flip the system over. Tighten the 11 screws. If your device did not come with a stylus, remove the dust plug as shown. Unscrew until loose. Grasp the screw and pull out the dust plug. Insert the stylus until it clicks into place. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.